Why not speak Chinese? Why not?
This time, we'll teach you Chinese. 你好.
Repeat after me. 10.
And they don't try to bite. Rare traits that Kevin has found in only one lioness in 40. This makes them perfect candidates for commercials and film shoots. The games they play with Kevin are the same as always. However, the difference now is that they weigh over 85 kilograms and still insist on their usual piggyback.
Okay, come here, baby. Come here for your piggyback.
To them, it's their normal show of affection. Hugs and kisses and licks with a tongue so rough it could sand down a wooden door.
I can't get that. I can't get you.
I've dealt with a lot of lions, a lot of lionesses in my years, and I haven't come across two females more gentle and loving than Meg and Amy.
Meg and Amy are rare in their constant adoration for Kevin, but not all animals are as consistent.
This Chinese character means 10 in English. This is its syllable, 10. Repeat after me, 10.